The updated HyFlex instructional cart has been configured for online and in-person instruction concurrently. We have expanded functionality and ease of use to make instruction as easy and seamless as possible. HyFlex rooms differ from standard rooms because they have a video conferencing camera and microphone for Zoom, as well as a video capture card to send anything that's projected onto the screen to Zoom. You can control the camera from this remote. Getting started. Sign into the all-in-one computer using the mouse and keyboard. Please note that the all-in-one computers are not touch compatible. Press Start on the small touch panel to power on the system. Once powered on, the projector will display the desired input you select on the small touch panel. The icons on the left of the panel control system functions. Display power powers on the projector and is best left on. Display mute allows you to blank out the projector so that you can access sensitive files, logins, or settings without being seen by the class. Be aware that if you are screen sharing in Zoom, virtual students may still see what you are doing. Audio settings opens a tab allowing you to control the volume of all devices connected to the system. Video settings will show Blu-ray and Apple TV controls when the corresponding input is selected. The power button is used to power off the HyFlex instructional cart. Please be sure to power down the system at the end of class. To use the HyFlex instructional cart for Zoom education, open Zoom before your class and ensure that these settings are correctly configured. Make sure that the camera is set to Logitech Meetup. Choose Extron Scalar D as the speaker so that Zoom students can be heard. The microphone should be set to Echo Canceling Speakerphone Logitech Meetup. Sharing your instructional material. If using PowerPoint, be sure your presentation is started. You can get back to the Zoom screen by pressing the Windows key. In Zoom, select Share Screen from the bottom row icons. In the Screens tab, select your presentation. Your PowerPoint will now be visible to in-class and online students. To share additional instructional devices such as the document camera, laptop input, Blu-ray, or Apple TV, click Share Screen from the bottom. Click the Advanced tab, then choose Second Camera. In the Options area, be sure that Share Sound and Optimize for Video Clip are selected. If the source doesn't show up, click Switch Camera on the top left of the screen. If you want to overlay your camera on top of the PowerPoint for Zoom students, you can do so here. Troubleshooting. Projector screen is black. On the small touch panel, verify that display power is on and display mute is off. After signing into the computer, hold Windows key and P to open the projection menu on the right. Select Duplicate. No audio. On the PC, check that the volume is turned up. Open audio settings by holding down the Windows key, Control key, and V. Under Output Devices, make sure that Extron Scalar D is selected. On the small touch panel, make sure the correct input is selected and the volume is turned up. If none of these troubleshooting steps solve the problem, call the help desk at 559-737-6100.